Hello everyone, this is Raji. In this video, let us learn the data comparisons between previous year and current year based on month and quarter. So, I have already loaded the data. Here we have two tables, calendar table and sales data table. So, in calendar table, let us sort the data month by month number by using sort by column month number and weekday sort by column weekday number. So let us go to the model view and see if the relations are correctly. So here we have a relation between date and sales date. Now let us create some measures here. So instead of creating measures in this calendar table or sales data table, let us take new table to create the measures. Name it as all measures. Click load. So first let us create a measure for total sales. Here right click, new measure. Sorry. No, let us create measures here. All measures, right click, new measure. Total sales. You can use sumx or sum function. I am using sumx function. Table. Here we have to give the table sales data, comma. From sales data, I want final sales price to calculate the measure. Click enter. So I have created this measure. Now I will take a slicer view here and from calendar table I will add date. No date. Let me add year. I want this to be list. So now let us create various measures for to calculate total sales current year, monthly sales current year, monthly sales previous year, quarter sales previous year, quarter sales some current year. Like this, let us create some measures. From all measures, right click, create new measures for monthly sales current year equal to current year equal to calculate total sales, comma, dates. I am going to use the function date adds. I am going to use dates mtd since I want monthly total sales. So this function dates mtd returns a table that contains a column of the dates for the month to date in the current context. So this is since I want monthly sales for current data. So I am current year. I am using this dates mtd function from calendar table date. Close the bracket twice, enter. So we have created one measure. So let us take this matrix view. Here let us select year. Year and month. Let me expand this. and let us select the newly created measure under values. Now let us create another measure for monthly sales previous year. Monthly sales previous year equal to calculate total sales, comma. Here we will use function called same period last year. So this function same period last year function returns a table that contains a column dates shifted 1 year back in time from the dates in the specified dates column in the current contest. So use the function same period last year function and use calendar.date. So our new measure is created for monthly sales previous year. Select this measure also. Select this table first, then newly created measure. So we got the result. Monthly sales previous year. Now let us copy this table. These are based on monthly result. Now let us get the data based on quarter. Here remove month and add quarter number. So remove these two measures. Let us create new measures. Right click, new measure. Let me give the measure as quarter sales current year. Quarter sales current year equal to calculate total sales comma total sales comma dates QTD since quarter. So this function returns a table that contains a column of dates for the quarter to date in the current contest. Select calendar date. Click enter. And now select this measure and let us create another measure for quarter sales previous year. Quarter sales previous year equal to calculate total sales comma same period. So we will use here function called same period last year. Same period last year calendar date function. So this is measure for quarter sales last year. Let me select this measure. So we have the required result. Let me adjust this. So now let me copy this table and find the quarter sales for previous quarter and quarter sales for current quarter. Let us find these two measures. Right click, new measure, and it's a quarter previous quarter equal to calculate total sales comma date date add function. So this date add function returns a table that contains a column of dates shifted either forward or backward in time by the specified number of intervals from the dates in the current context. So here, since we are calculating for previous quarter, we have to use -1. Calendar date function, comma, -1, comma, quarter. Means quarter details. Enter. So let us create next measure also for quarter sales current year. Current year equal to calculate total sales, comma, use date add function, calendar date, since current year use 0. If next year we have to use +1. For previous year we have to use -1. Click enter. So now copy the same table. Since I have already copied, simply I will press Ctrl V. Remove this selection and adjust this. I don't want these two values. Instead I want quarter current year and quarter previous quarter. See, based on this slicer selection, we get the required results for previous year and current year. For selection year 2015-2016, you can select this slicer to view the result. So this is how you compare the data based on previous year and current year. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.